First of all, how was school today? Ilikuwa poa? Are you sure? Hakuna changamoto ani challenges yoyote ni ulipitia ama nini? So nimekuita hapa before you go to sleep because we are recording this video saa ngapi? 8. So I have some few questions here I wanted to ask my daughter. You know, kuna some things zenye anafaa learn. So in our today's video, today we are going to discuss about how to ask your teacher for help.
Okay.
How to ask your teacher for help.
For help.
And that is the topic we are going to go through today, like we are going to discuss. And what I just want you to tell me. I know so many things. I know you always go through a lot of things ukiwa shuleni. Kuna challenges here and there, kuna vitu mingi hapa na pale, you know, unaona? So how do you see that?
I don't like.
Unazoongea that Kiswahili usisumbue. It's normal lakini
kuna sometimes zinakuanga ngumu.
nataka uongee kwa sauti.
Kuna vitu zinakuanga ngumu.
Sometimes sometimes unapata tu kuna vitu zinakuwa tu ngumu, yani like you don't understand, you become confused, you don't know what to do. Sindio?
Yeah.
Okay. It's normal for things to be hard. It's normal for things not to be okay. For things not to go the way you wanted them to be or the way you wanted them to go.
Yeah.
It's very normal. So sometimes usionani ati now that sasa vitu zinakaa ngumu unakataa kufanya nini? Kuuliza for help, yani ask for help. Asking for help doesn't mean that you are weak. It means you are strong enough to be able to learn, to be able to know what is going on with your life, to know what is going on within your environment. Umesikia? Very important. And,
yes.
And I have some steps that inakuhelp, inakuguide. Number 1 step here itakuwa unaona nini time unataka kuomba help. If you want to ask for help, know where you're asking for help. Yani know when you need help. Okay. If I may ask, when do you think you need to ask for help?
When you don't understand things.
Yes, very perfect. When you don't understand anything. Unaona nini? Unajua sometimes usione kwamba ati kuuliza yani asking for help ati inakufanya unakuwa weak ama inakufanya maybe watu wenzako watakucheka ama inakufanya unakuwa confused. Don't feel ashamed of yourself when you are asking for help. Unaona? You ask for help when during that time when you feel hauko sawa, that time when you feel the questions maybe zenye ninafanya ama maybe you are in exam room ama maybe kuna maswali umepewa you don't understand, that is the time ama that is the right time for you to ask for help, and whenever your teacher is around. Unaona? Then another step, when you are asking for help, be a very brave girl, be a very brave student. Ask politely. For example, when you're asking for help, like the way we're talking about polite, how do you show that politeness when asking for help? For example,
excuse me, miss, can you help me? Or
yes, unakuwa to that honest now. So when you are asking for help from your teacher, you need to be very polite and very brave. What do I mean? When I say polite, ask politely. Please, teacher, I don't understand this question. Please, teacher, I don't understand number 3. Unaona? Those are just examples I'm giving you. Those are the kind of politeness you need to show when you are asking for help from your teacher. Now we are going to step number 3. Ask at the right time. When do you think you are supposed to ask for help?
When she's free, she's not doing anything.
Perfect. When she is free, like your teacher is a she. When she's always free. For example, break time. Una time saa ya break. Unaona? Ama maybe hiyo time yenye lessons zimeisha, sasa ametoka nje anaenda staff room, unakimbia nje mbio. Si atu unakimbia nje mbio unamuuliza, "Teacher, mimi namba sijai understand. Can you please help me? Can you be able to explain more about this number? Can you be able to help me more?" Unaona? Kitu kingine usijaribu kushout kwa class, "Teacher, mimi number 4 sielewi." That will show you like itaonyesha the way you're just stupid. Like you need to be very polite. You need to know when you are supposed to ask for that help. Unaona? Then we are going to tunamaliza step number 4. Step number 4, say what you don't understand. Say what you don't understand. 5. Say what you don't understand. So that isaidie mwalimu to be able to help you for haraka. Come baby. Unaona? When you say what you don't understand, what do I mean? What do you think? Nikisema say what you don't understand. Unafaa useme kitu yenye uelewi, unaisema hiyo time yenye uelewi, unasema hapa si understand teacher. Unaona? Teacher, kuna number 4 sielewi vizuri. And I don't understand it very perfect. Can you please help me out? Hapo unafanya teacher can be able to help you faster. Unaona? Hapo sasa it's a lesson you have learned something from there. Single. Okay. Kelele mama, wacha kelele. Kelele. Niko nafunza dada yako. Tunaenda step number 5. Unaona? Don't be afraid of mistakes. Sijui kama unanielewa. Kuna time hiyo yenye huanga sometimes you get scared. Unaona? You get scared of asking for help. Na hiyo time ndio kuna time nyingine una feeling uko confused. Yeah. Sindio? Is it true? Acha hii kiti. Hapo utaonekana. Change. Wewe unapiga kelele. Kuna hiyo time mtoto mvururu. Kuna hiyo time na feel. Kuna sometimes na feel scared, na feel confused. Don't be that way. Because sometimes the questions swali yenye unaweza kuwa unauliza, the help yenye unaweza kuwa unauliza mwalimu, you might be helping other students that you don't know. Kuna maybe sometimes unaweza uliza mwalimu, hii questions sielewi. Kuna maybe kuna sasa like hiyo step 5 nimesema don't be afraid of mistakes. Yani kuna sometimes una feel uko scared, unakuwa confused, you don't know what to do, you feel maybe they're going to laugh at you ukiuliza swali. Let me tell you, have you ever been found in such a situation? Yeah. Unaona sasa hiyo part? Kuna sometimes una feel niko tu confused hapa naona nikienda kuuliza kitu ama nikuuliza mwalimu na feel watu watanichekelea. Umewahi kujikuta uko kwa hiyo situation? Can you talk?
Yes.
Mara mingi, si ndio? Unafanyanga nini?
Naambia mwalimu baadaye.
Can you please talk?
Na stoppingi naambia mwalimu baadaye
unangoja matime mengine ndio unaenda na mwalimu. Sinaona unakuanga na hapo ka uoga na feel maybe they're going to laugh at you. Unaona? Nikiuliza. Sorry na mama. Okay, so out of all these steps, to share discuss steps zote ya traveling. So, what have you learned?
I've learned that you should be polite and don't be scared and yeah.
Nani anasumbua watu? Mbona unasumbua? Huyu. Anyway, let's meet next time. I have more and more, a lot of things to teach you. Otherwise,
so bye.
Guys, nishamuonyesha. At least kuna some few things amepita na amelearn. Kuna some few things zenye amejifunza na feel hizi zitakuja kumsaidia. Unaona? So, until next time guys, na come na ingine tena. And she will have to be active. Saizi ni vile amechoka, she needs to go and sleep. Alafu pia niko na kamtoi kadogo hapa kanasumbua. Anyway, bye.